Hello, my name is ADRIAN OTTERBECK, and this is for Kate Kedley's English class, and this is how to use a semicolon. Lesson 1. When to use a semicolon. A semicolon is most commonly used to link two independent clauses, which an independent clause is basically a complete thought. Use a semicolon between two independent clauses that are connected by conjunctive adverbs or traditional phrases. Use a semicolon between items in a list or series if any of the items contain commas. The semicolon looks like a comma with a period above it, and this can be a good way to remember what it does. A semicolon creates more separation between thoughts than a comma does, but less than a period does. Lesson number 2. The difference between a semicolon and a colon. Semicolons separate things. Most commonly, they separate two main clauses that are closely related to each other, but that could stand on their own as a sentence if you wanted them to. The second difference between a colon and a semicolon is that when you are joining things, you use a semicolon to join things of equal weight, whereas you can use a colon to join things of equal or unequal weight. For example, you can use either a semicolon or colon to join two main clauses, but you can only use a colon to join a main clause with a noun. Here's an example. Squiggly missed only one friend, aardvark. You couldn't use a semicolon in that sentence because the two parts are unequal. Lesson number 3. Here is a few examples, and I am going to read the first 3. Dad is going bald. His hair is getting thinner and thinner. So see how you can actually make those into two separate sentences. Dad is going bald could be one sentence, and his hair is getting thinner and thinner could be its own sentence. I really like beef with mushroom sauce, pasta with Alfredo sauce, and salad with French dressing. You should stop eating so much food. You will have to go on a diet. When using a semicolon, don't forget, a semicolon is only followed by a capital letter if a proper noun or acronym follows the semicolon. Semicolons are not interchangeable with commas or periods. And also, do not forget to delete the conjunction when you use a semicolon. And here are my 3 references that I used to make this PowerPoint. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.